Hey, I know there's a way to make money even if you didn't participate in making the video. I'm so excited to share this trick with you. But remember, this is not a be rich in one day guide. Your YouTube channel needs time to grow and start making money. If you want to earn money and do less things in the long term, stay to the end of this video. So the first step is to create a channel. Did you do that? There's some big channels out there making money with this method. You might have heard of them before. They are Brightside, ThoughtSync, Brainy-Dose, just to name a few. There's something similar in these channels. Do you know what it is? They're all niche channels. Niche channels tell you knowledge and info in their niche. There are some non-niche channels. They are like Mr. Beast, PewDiePie, gamers. They are personality channels. They are selling their personality and using that to add value to the audience. So how's that going to impact your money-making strategy? What kinds of channel should you be creating? Let me ask you a question. What do you expect when making money? You want to make more with the least amount of time and effort, of course. But how and what can you do? The best way to do this is to give your work to other people. So you are using others' time and effort, not yours. You hire people to do your work. It's like starting a small business. Now come back to the main idea. Niche channels and personality channels. Which kind of channels work could be given to other people to work on? If you give your work to other people as a personality channel, your video style will change. The video will not be showing 100% of your personality. But if you give your work to other people as a niche channel, you can still create great value as your main purpose of the channel is to give knowledge and info to your audience. That's why you need to start a niche channel if you want to work less and earn more. I'm not saying you can't make lots of money with a personality channel. There are successful examples like Mr. Beast or PewDiePie being famous YouTubers. But they are gonna spend much more time and effort to run. In fact, MatPat, the one I learned this method from, is making money only working 2 to 3 hours a day. That's why starting a niche channel can give you more freedom and you can have more time to enjoy your life. Actually, there's some niches that can be successful easier. There are technology channels, luxury channels, meditation channels, psychology channels, financial channels, and motivational channels, to name a few. You can choose one of them to work on. You may also choose other things you're interested in. But I recommend for you to start with these channels. Now you have a channel which you can work less on. But are you prepared for this method and can you start a successful money-making channel? Here's 2 things you must be prepared in order to start making money with a channel. The first one is a sad but important truth. You need to be prepared for suffering. Prepared for suffering before your success. You have to work hard before your channel starts to grow and make money. You need to work hard until you can get this little successes. Your channel may take a lot of time and still isn't making money. Secondly, you need to have money to hire people and actually make money without making a video. You can't hire people to do your work if you don't have money. So make some money first, then you can give your work to other people and chill. Now you're ready and willing to start a channel that makes money in the long term. I will tell you the process of making the video and how you can give the work to others. The video making process would be you come up with a video idea, you script it, you voice over it, you edit it, you upload it. After you have enough money to hire people, you can make a video making machine. You only need to come up with the video idea and then skip right to uploading it. You can give the scripting, voiceover, editing to other people to work on. Your only job now is to organize your channel and make sure your employees done their work. Just like you're the boss of a small business. But come back to the reality. You need to start a channel, work on it until it makes profit first. So, are you okay that this game that won't give you profit in the short term Remember, this is a long-term game, and you may not see the results in months or years or decades. But are you willing to take the risk and have a chance to live a better life?